Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to be talking about the really secretive Fornasetti collection. I feel like not a lot of people are really talking about it. They created a bunch of women's product for this line, but I felt like there wasn't a big release for it. So when I first saw this release, I really wanted to Keepall. You can't tell, this is the Louis Vuitton Fornasetti collection. This was crafted by Nicolas Gasquier. Because it is metallic, it's kind of reflective, so it might be hard to show right now. But I'm going to do a close-up without this lighting after I finish giving you guys a little briefing on this. So this is the Keepall Bandoulière 45. So this is the Keepall Bandoulière 45, and it is made with the golden metallic leather. So this bag retails for $3,100. So for a size 45 Keepall, it's pretty expensive, but as you can tell, it's not full canvas. You do get canvas on the trimming right here, which is the brown monogram trims, and also the side pocket right here. That is canvas for you. But the rest of the bag is, believe it or not, leather. And what I really like about this is the Roman statues on this bag is beautiful, and on parts of the bag it looks like it's almost like an ombre. So let me see it right here. So as you can tell right here, it's really dark. You might think it's the lighting of the video, but it's not. It actually fades right here. This design was actually made by an Italian artist named Piero Fornasetti. My favorite part about this bag is probably the interior. I think it's really cool. Okay, let's take a look. So I do keep my Keepall stuffed, if you haven't noticed. Well, they included these airbags in there because this material I feel like will crease really easily. If you can't tell, there's some creasing. Oh, I didn't even notice. There's some creasing at the top already from me just, I guess, trying to stuff the bag. So you see this creasing here. So this material creases really easily. Interior is beautiful. It's this brown monogram. I don't know if you can tell. That is throughout the whole bag. It's so nice. It has shoulder straps as well, but I honestly don't think I'm even going to use that. But I have luggage tag here, and it is a monogram luggage tag. So, canvas luggage tag, I should say. Because I know the Speedy, they created a little Speedy. It's kind of like this, but obviously on a smaller scale, but you know, the price range was about the same. Okay guys, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button. I'll be posting more videos per usual. I'll see you guys next video. Bye.